Hi guys, in today's video I'm gonna introduce the new camera I bought. It is a Canon v10 and firstly I'm gonna sorry about my English because my English is not that good, and I have tried to try my best to express myself, and I'm gonna start with the reason I bought this. The reason I bought this camera is not because I have interest in vlogging. Uh, Instead, I am very annoyed by the screen time using my iPhone 13 mini. And it is I think it is in a very severe condition because it almost took my most time to waste in this so-called uh, so-called non-stop feed. And I wanna buy a dumb phone to replace this, and bought this doro1370, and this phone is I'm satisfied with it, but the problem it have is the signal is not good. You can see here, while my iPhone 13 mini is full signal, that is because of they are just 2G and 3G network is not fully available. They're gonna replace it with 5G or 4G, so the signal is not good, and everything is pretty great. Especially this phone even don't have the internet, internet uh, launcher, so it can't surf the internet. Even less distraction. So I think this part is great, but one problem is the camera is not good. It just have 3 million pixel camera, and quality is really bad. Just like phone in the 2000s, early 2000s, that kind of quality. So this can work. I had to when I'm walking the street, some siren I wanted to shot, it can't provide that kind of function, so I had to have a camera to carry with. So I considered the Canon PowerShot G7X3, but that phone is just that camera is just can't buy. The price is overpriced at this time. When it released, the price when it released is approximately 5,000 yuan, but now today it's approximately 7,000 yuan. I think it is ridiculous. So one thing is it out of sale. The G7X3s, it can't buy, and also expensive, and I have no idea, so I got to buy another camera. So I bought this is very cheap, just 1,500 yuan in Chinese currency, so it relatively cheap, and it is smaller than G7X3, but I think one thing good about this camera is it is small, but even this is small. It's not just can carry around. It is thick, you can see here. So I think G7X3 is much even more bigger than this, so it is more harder to carry out in the street. You know, you can put in a pocket. Even this is so small, but this is not that, you know, convenient thing. So I think this is a pretty, you know, decent product you can buy. And I want to replace my smartphone with these two things. I want to carry out these two things everywhere. Just want to, you know, get out of this internet infinite feed world. So this is the reason I bought this. And when talk about the camera quality, the quality of why is this picture turned so small? Okay, you can see this. The camera quality is very normal level, just not special. Very similar with smartphone camera, but I think the color and noise is a little bit better, but the resolution and detail is worse than iPhone. But I'm enough with that because this is very cheap, and the reason I bought this just want to replace phone camera, not to have a really professional camera quality. So I think this is a pretty decent product to buy. And yeah, this is pretty good. So this is my review about this product. And someday when I have enough money and the PowerShot G7 is relaunch, I will buy that if it is possible. But today, from now, I'm gonna use this product. But I think the also one con is the pro about this product is just, you know, small. But con is, I think the industrial design is not good, but it is not that bad, because just, you know, I'm a mature man. Just this thing looks like a thing a child or girl carry around. So yeah. So this is today's video. Thanks for watching, and I hope you guys can subscribe my channel. I'm a Mongolian living Chinese. I don't know how to say Chinese Mongolian Chinese. Just I'm inner Mongolian living in here. Chinese citizen, but Mongolian ethnic in Hulunbuir area. The tribe is called Barag Mongol. So I can teach you if you have some request. Help me to, you know, upload some kind of Mongolian language tutorial or something. I can upload that kind of thing, because, and I'm an architecture. You know, my major is architecture, so I can also talk about architecture stuffs. So thank you. Bye bye.